93% cotton, 7% elastane. When your baby shows signs of rolling over, it's very important for safety reasons to transition them out of being swaddled. Their hands need to be free to reposition themselves when they roll over so they can push up off the mattress. Most babies really love being swaddled, so transitioning them out of swaddling is usually a real challenge as it is a change to their sleep routine. The patented zip-off wings on the Swaddle UP 50/50 transition bag helps make this transition gentle and uneventful. We recommend transitioning both at naps and bedtime to ease baby into this new sleep routine. To start, simply zip off one wing and let the baby get used to having one arm out for a few nights. Once that works, remove the second wing and your baby has successfully transitioned from swaddling into a comfy wearable blanket for longer use. Twin zipper for easy diaper changes. If your baby was not previously swaddled in an arms-up position, the transition may take a little longer. The dual zipper makes diaper changing a breeze and eliminates the need to remove the swaddle and having to completely re-swaddle the baby. The patented design eliminates any risk of loose fabric and the zipper replaces noisy Velcro or bothersome snaps. The snug fit from our 4-way stretch fabric of 93% cotton and 7% elastane creates a familiar and secure feeling just like in the womb to calm the moro, startle, reflex. Does not contain flame retardants or any harmful chemicals. As your baby grows, Love to Dream's 3-stage sleep system has you covered with our cute and practical Stage 3 sleep suits. Medium size fits babies from 13 pounds up to 19 pounds, approximately 3 to 6 months. The Swaddle UP 50/50 Transition Bag Original is 1.0 TOG. All seams are sewn on the outside and the zipper is protected so there is nothing rough against baby's skin. Top reviews from the United States. Life changing. Worth every cent. My daughter has been waking up between 5:30 a.m. to 6 a.m. every day and I will have to put the binky in her mouth so she won't fuss. I really just wanted her to learn to sleep until 7 a.m. I had her swaddled with her arms down but it started getting scary because she'd get her hands out and pull her arms up so she could get her hands to her mouth. It would bring all the fabric of the swaddle up and around her neck. Or she'd get her arms up through the top of the swaddle with her arms still inside to get her hands to her mouth. That seemed like a choking hazard. I was having so much anxiety and it was a breaking point. I needed a different swaddle that would help with the startle reflex but that I wouldn't have to worry about a choking hazard. I got this in the mail the same day I ordered it, I used it that night, and she slept better than she ever had. She slept until 7:25 a.m. I think it was nice for her to have her hands up and free, but also tight so the startle reflex wouldn't wake her up. The sleep sack is also just so snug and tight around the waist that it's nice and comforting. I love this product.